This is how you can easily make an iron pipe that is needed for many tasks. Let's make a beautiful bottle that can be filled with water and easily accessed. Let's make the most beautiful wall decoration from recycled ice cream sticks. Let's make toys for little children from a few pieces of cardboard and wood. Let's peel a clove of garlic easily without overdoing it. Here's how you can make a pillow using a towel. How to pour milk into another cup without straining it. Let's make a device to make water fall on the automatic water pump. Let's make a small broom to easily wash dishes and cups. When using sellotape, try this method to tear it off at any point. This is how you can easily connect to pipes. This is how you can easily wrap a long ribbon. Try this method to remove a nail that is difficult to remove. Try this way to drive a nail without the wood chip escaping. This is how you can organize a messy wire. How to properly join two pieces of wood. This method of cutting tiles will help a lot. Let's fix a broken broom properly. Cut a 2-band. Make something like this to hold the necessary things. This is how you can join a piece of wood that has been split in two. Let's tie a thread around her, now so that it doesn't slip.
Let's meet again in a new video with easy tips like this.